Hello everyone, this is Enyolami and welcome back to my channel. So today we have the Bondex mining updates. Lately they had an hammer on Twitter and the CEO gave some updates and how the launching or the listing is going to be. So I'll be reading it or explaining to you some of the things about this Bondex mining, because some people just know, okay, what are we earning? I mean, it's just the Bondex points. Nope, it is not just the Bondex points. You also have other opportunities on the app, and this point itself will be converted to airdrop token, and which will be listed on exchange. Precisely, they said they will be listing on layer 2 blockchain by next year, even though the precise date is yet to be announced. So guys, hit the subscribe button to my channel. You don't want to miss out on the concluding updates of Bondex and every other cryptocurrency airdrop amazing opportunities. So now let's proceed with the Bondex. Before the amounts on Twitter, this everyone can earn on Bondex by first of all claiming this point every 24 hours. You have to claim this point every 24 hours. Then second thing is the job portal. The main goal of this app is the job portal. They will be introducing KYC, as said in the hammer. The CEO said there will be KYC on this app, and they will be listing this Bondex token, which is what we are mining now. The bond points. So the job portal has is their main focus. Bondex, this Bondex app is known for the job creation. They want to bring in Web3 jobs. So if you have an high income skills, you see, senior front-end engineer, blockchain engineer, develop engineer, all of these things are the Web3 jobs. And you can even apply as at now, starting from now, you can apply. So that is their main mission, getting Web3 job available at our disposal with this app. So all you need to do is to go and fill in your CV. You go to settings or your profile and fill in your CV, and you are good. You fill in your CV, you fill in your details, make sure the CV is updated. Your details, you can as well connect your LinkedIn. Then you can come to the job. You can see this is remote job worldwide. These are jobs you'll be able to do on your with your laptop from any part of the world, in quotes. So that is one main focus of this Bondex app. That is their major mission. Every other thing is secondary. Their major mission is the job portal, to create job. And now let's go to the CEO's question and answer on Twitter some couple of days back. This is what we have here. So it said question, inside the job portal, what other products are we to market to other people? What are the products inside the recruitment? Then the CEO responded and said, for now, crowdsourcing of recruitment is going to be the core products. As I mentioned earlier, their major products that they are selling on the app is the job portal. They want to bring in Web3 job, crypto job, remote crypto job that you can do worldwide. He said, we have spent a year building the minimum variable product, the job portal. That's it. Then the next one is, does Bondex have a plan to partner with audit company? And the CEO said they are working on the audits to partner for security reason. That's what the question is. Then the next one, will KYC be charged? If yes, where will it be charged? Then the CEO said there will be a fee as expenses varies between $1 to $3, meaning there will be KYC, and the KYC is going to cost $1 to $3. With over 3 million downloads and millions of users, our setup must implement charges to cover the multi-million-dollar costs. That's it. Since they are not since the main core is the job portal, they are not selling anything. In fact, they are the one bringing job for free license. So I think that would be the main reason why they have to charge for their KYC. You have to prepare your mind and know that you'll be paying $1 to $3 for KYC on Bondex app, and you also have the opportunity for job. So that's it. Is the support really working on ticket to return reduced token? Yes, lately token, well, even mine was reduced because I've mined more than that, and after the update I logged in and I saw that it was reduced, and they said yes, they are being addressed. We regularly execute scripts to minimize them. Your patience is appreciated. Okay, we are still hoping they will return back the reduced token, so that I know that point is what we are expecting as extra advantage once they list. They are, as I said earlier, they said they will be listing. Okay, the last putting blockchain. The quest on putting blockchain trilemma, scalability, security, and decentralization into consideration. On what blockchain is Bondex building or launching on? And the CEO responded with, we are negotiating with several layer 2 networks to select a blockchain for our construction. So meaning they have the intention of listing or launching on layer 2 network, and next year is when they will be listing. I read it on the Twitter. Next year is when they will be listing their token. So we hopefully to expect KYC maybe starting from December or early next year. But they said they will be listing next year, and they will be listing on layer 2 network. So also prepare your mind. So recap: reduced token will be returned as said by the CEO. Number 2, KYC will cost you $1 to $3. Number 3, you have to they will be listing on layer 2 network, and they will be launching next year, which is 2024. The truth is, most of this airdrop will be launching next year. That's just it. I'm not even expecting any launch from any airdrop this year, but most of them, at least reasonable amounts of them, will launch next year. From my own perception, that's what I presume about them. So guys, this is what I have for you about the Bondex mining. So when the KYC comes on board and the further updates, I will bring it to your view. So hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on other updates, and particularly this Bondex update. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well join me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram channel is attached to this video. Check the description box or the pin post in the comment section. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.